Okay, so we're working with one of the vowels today. Well, we've been learning about the letter E, but all of the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, right? So on this page today, you'll see that we have several of the vowels here. Okay, so we're on reading practice 12. The first thing you're going to do is get a pencil and write your first name and your last name at the top of this page. So I'm going to do that here. Okay, your first name and last name at the top. I'm going to give you a little extra time because remember we have friends who have a lot of letters in their names. Okay, so go ahead and do this with me. So number 1, let's go ahead and sound that out. K, t, ut, cut. There's the word cut. The vowel is, that's right, the letter U. And it is the short vowel sound followed by the consonant t. So we're going to code that with a breve. That's a simple one, right? Okay, let's go to number 2. K, t, ot, cot. We have the short vowel sound in the middle, written with the letter O, and we code it with a breve because it's followed by a consonant. Let's go to number 3. K, at, cat. Okay, so we have the short vowel sound a followed by the consonant t. So we're going to code that with a breve. Okay, one more with the k sound here that begins with the k sound. K, n, an, can. Okay, so we have the short vowel sound a followed by the consonant n. So we're going to code that with a breve. Okay, now let's see what happens here. We have blended 2 consonants together that blend to make a sound. S, k, n, an, can, sk, an, scan. Okay, so the vowel again is the A. It makes the a sound and it is followed by the consonant n. So we're going to code it with a breve. Okay, we're working with the k sound again. K, up, cup. So we're going to code the short vowel sound with a breve. Why? Because it's followed by a consonant. Okay. Let's go to number 7. K, app, cap. Okay, we have the short vowel sound a, so we're going to code that with a breve. Why? Because it's followed by a consonant. Okay. Number 8. Again, we have two blended vowels right there. So we're going to sound each one out. K, app, lap, clap, clap. Okay, we have the short vowel sound a followed by a consonant. So we're going to code that with a breve. Let's go to the next one. K, ast, cast. That's the word cast. And we have the short vowel sound a almost in the middle, not quite, but we're going to go ahead and code that with a breve. Why? Because it is followed by a consonant. The letter S is a consonant. Okay, let's go to the next one. K, ost, cost. Okay, so we have the short vowel sound right there followed by the consonant S, so we can code that with the breve. K, amp, camp. Okay, so our vowel sound is the a sound. Okay, and we can code it with a breve because it is a short vowel sound followed by the consonant. Right there, there's a consonant M. Okay, let's read our high frequency word here. Into. Okay, go ahead and give that a circle just like that. Okay, and we're done. Thank you for reading with Snowy Cat today. Remember, we like to teach our cats how to read. Even if they can't remember how to read, they still want to try to learn.